Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to decorate a giant cupcake. I've already baked my cupcake, and to watch a video on how to do this, click on the link above. Get the bottom part of your cupcake and put it on a serving plate. Cut it in half and then put some icing in the middle and spread it all over right until the edges. Get the top part of it and put it on top of the cake. And then I'm going to spread some icing all around the cake to help my chocolate fingers stick onto it. Get your chocolate fingers and then start placing them on the cake, and then when you finish doing this, put some more icing on top to help the top stick to the bottom of the cupcake. And then you can get a piping bag and then just pipe any decorations you want on top. And it's not a cupcake if it doesn't have sprinkles, so I'm just going to add some sprinkles on top, and that's it. I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. So you can see it's nice and baked through, and you can see the layers of the cake and the icing. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.